In this tutorial, you'll learn how saving works after creating a form in Google Forms. Once you finish creating and customizing your form, you don't actually need to manually save it. If you look at the top left corner of the screen, you'll see a message that says, "All changes saved in Drive." This means your form is automatically saved to your Google Drive in real time. Google Forms uses autosave, so every change you make, whether it's adding questions, editing text, or adjusting settings, is instantly saved. If you want to make your form available to others, you can click the Send button in the top right corner to share it. If you'd like to see how it looks to respondents, click the Preview eye icon to view the live version of your form. There's no separate Save button required. As long as you see the confirmation that changes are saved in Drive, your form is securely stored. And that's it. Your Google form is automatically saved and ready whenever you need it.